Today. I don't want people to hear me out there. I don't want them to hear me out there. You think this is cringy, huh? We have a hate comment, by the way, guys. And you think our videos are cringy.
Wait, bro, you shouldn't say that so loud. People gonna hear us.
Facts.
Yeah.
This thing's about cringiness, bro.
Yeah.
We'll show you cringiness.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back, Munchers. Aren't you excited today?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
So much excitement.
So much excitement.
We love it.
We love it.
So we're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat.
No.
That's what we do.
No.
That's what we do in this channel. We eat. People understand that this is what we do. We
Facts.
eat.
You gotta take the princess for the pretty building. No, I'm sorry, bro. I don't know. We're gonna have to share the chips. Like in the movies, both of your,
I wonder.
both of your hands goes and then like they touch each other. Time to load up the big guns. You know how people say, "All right, bro, I'm taking off the gloves." You know, like I'm not taking it easy on you no more. We're actually doing the opposite. We're putting on our gloves.
That's what we do. Because we just eat.
Yeah, we just eat. That's it.
No weird videos.
Huh?
We don't do weird videos.
No, we don't.
We just eat.
Yeah.
I don't know why people like think we're cringy.
Mm.
Look, we eat.
We eat
Chips.
Yep, chips. Just your
Average.
average chips.
No
tortilla
sauce, though.
chips. No
No
sauce.
sauce.
Yeah, no sauce.
Not weird.
Oh my god.
Nah, because bro,
This is
they
where it goes
bothered us.
downhill,
Nah,
bro.
They bothered us, bro.
They that's crazy. So we were supposed to get 2 of these with salsa each. Like no salsa.
You know what? We're gonna explain to you guys right now.
Yeah. This is a perfectly logical explanation for this, or should they say?
Today,
Yes. No other day. So, start things off, we got the, we start to try the bird dogs.
came out what, last week maybe?
I don't know.
Bird dogs, dog.
Facts.
We just saw this today in the advertisement. Man, I was
Facts.
like, yo, we gotta get this, man.
So there's 3 flavors, right?
Mm.
There's buffalo, honey barbecue, and loaded. There's 3 flavors, buffalo, loaded, and honey barbecue. So I got honey barbecue, he got the loaded. Which one you want, bro? Take one. Take it. Yeah. Take it, bro. Look, let me help you out. Let me get my bread out the way.
Wait, what is it called again?
We got the bird dogs.
Facts, dude.
So we're gonna let you guys know if it's cool because
So there's 3, right? You already told them?
Facts.
The buffalo,
honey
barbecue,
and
the
loaded.
unloaded. Facts. We're both gonna try the loaded and the honey barbecue one.
Facts.
This is about to be delicious already now, man. Already
And we also got wings.
Facts. We got some wings.
So we decided to try out some new wings that we never tried before.
Facts.
We got the Asian Zing
Facts, yo.
and the Caribbean jerk. You guys are from back in the days, you know that dance like you a jerk.
You a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're
Yeah,
a jerk.
facts.
You're a
So yeah, I mean, so you trying to try one, bro?
Jerk.
You trying to try one, bro?
Yeah, man.
Which one? Take your pick.
Facts, you should take your pick too so we can cheers on it, man.
Can I like?
I don't think you could do all that, bro.
Okay. I'm gonna take this one in the corner.
But I'm glad you're taking that one. Like, that's like the one I want you to take. That's crazy. I always manifest things, guys.
Yeah.
Believe in manifestation. But don't be an asshole with it. Come on.
Facts.
Because if you manifest something evil,
Then damn, that's crazy.
Mhm.
That's just it's unnecessary.
which one you want me to do?
Want me to?
To be honest, wait, which one you prefer?
Mm.
Drums or?
I mean, I don't know. I love everything.
But let me just take this one.
All right.
All right.
So Caribbean jerk and
yeah.
Asian Zing.
All right, we're gonna try this. Oh yeah, I mean, let's do our prayer. Oh yeah, we do have
Facts.
nachos,
Facts.
but with no cheese, and we don't have no
salsa, no ranch, no celery, no carrots. We're missing everything
Yep.
basically.
That's so like yo, that's so rude, man.
Facts.
Like yo, but remember guys, karma.
Mm-hmm.
Karma.
You don't
comes.
gotta do anything about it.
I swear,
Just
you
don't
don't-
do it. You know.
Excuse me.
You know,
I'm pretty sure we're laughing about two different things.
We burp at the same time.
Oh, nice. That's a good one. That's a good one to capture, guys. But we
Why are you
laughing about two.
Why are you laughing?
That's it, bro. Yo, let's get some soda, guys. Let's get some soda right now. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys. So today we got some Pepsi Mango.
I never tried it before.
I ain't never tried it before, so this is about to be lit.
I hope so.
Facts, though. This about to be a lit day, bro. So let's pour some.
Can't wait. What do you expect?
I'm sorry, guys.
It's
Probably
like, look at
once.
the size of that thing.
Facts. That's what she said last night.
Oh yeah?
She said, "Oh, look the size of that thing. It's so small." No way expected that one.
I'm surprised they invented it.
Oh shoot! Oh, that was scary, bro. Alright, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, bro.
No problem, sir.
Alright. So guys, wish me luck. I hope I like mango in my pizza. I mean
Your pizza.
okay, people always saying pineapple on pizza, so like I don't know. I don't get it. It's like
I feel you.
Facts.
Alright, I'm excited. I'm so excited to try this. Like, I'm so super excited.
Facts. I kind of want to like, but I'm not.
All right. So
Woo!
we're gonna try. Oh yeah. We thank God for this food, and we're about to destroy this because we're in the mood.
All right. First things first.
I wonder.
We're gonna taste each other's wing.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm gonna try out the Asian Zing. It's supposed to be a little spicy. What, mild?
Yeah, but it's supposed to be more like
Sweet.
sweet.
All right.
Yeah, and then this one right here,
So I got this from him.
facts, and I got this from him. What is this?
Caribbean jerk.
The Caribbean jerk.
Caribbean jerk. Caribbean.
You could say both.
Okay.
I don't know why, but a lot of people say Caribbean, and then some people say
All right.
Caribbean. But it's Caribbean.
Caribbean.
Caribbean. See, now you got me
Caribbean.
confused. Yeah, it's Caribbean. Caribbean. All right. We got that Caribbean chicken
Yeah.
and jerk chicken. And yeah.
All
Let's
right.
do this. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys the flavor. It's more like I think spicy, more spicy than sweet. All right, let's do this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad. Caribbean jerk. Not bad. For real. Not bad at all.
The Asian Zing.
We have to try this, guys.
I like it. It's a little spicy. That's all.
The jerk chicken. Not bad.
So you wanna? All right. You gonna taste the Asian Zing?
I feel like I have to. Now you know what? We shouldn't.
Huh?
I'm not gonna try it yet, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But I'm glad I tried yours.
And that's right, yours. Honestly, bro, depending on how this tastes, I might want to trade a few. 3.
We should try it. You like this?
Yeah.
But we should try it. Where they go? I don't know which ones you want.
I'm gonna take this one. What the? Take both of them.
But
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
It's for a reason. You can take two. Mine's a little
I'm gonna take this one. And this one. Alright, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it too. Alright, so like now I'm gonna try the jerk and then like we're gonna see how the
Actually, I
bird
feel like we should try this first, guys. Just because you guys click on this video, I'm pretty sure you guys want to watch this.
Facts. Yeah,
So
right,
we're gonna try this for you guys.
I'm gonna put it on pause.
Yes, sir.
I am scared, man. Honey barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Loaded. I am so terrified of the loaded one.
Fast. I'm gonna try the loaded first.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the loaded first, guys. I thought about it, guys. I'm gonna eat this one first. I'm gonna try this one first. The chicken, the barbecue, honey barbecue, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers to you, dog. All right.
Oh man.
Cheers to you, dog.
This is all spicy except for this. All right, let's.
I'm gonna try the honey barbecue first.
I'm gonna try the loaded one first.
Let's go. See how this shit tastes. It's got fries inside. What the hell? It's got French fries inside. By the way, the honey barbecue one has chicken tender, fries, everything. Peppers.
Oh, this is like the worst thing ever. Eating spicy and drinking soda.
I figured. It's spicy?
I don't taste it, yeah. Or maybe I do taste it. I don't know. I think it's a little spicy, yeah. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass out. I feel it now.
The hot barbecue one?
Oh, dang.
I mean, the honey barbecue one is not that good for me.
No?
It's not the best. You know something that you like, my good, I need this. But it's not bad. Let's try the other one now. Let's try the loaded one. The loaded, what was it? Loaded something? I mean, like, I forgot what they call it, these suckers. I don't know how I forgot.
Bird dogs.
Bear dogs. That's a new name for me. His first try, I'm gonna try the mango Pepsi. Good, huh? It's not bad. It's definitely not bad.
I can tolerate it. I can tolerate it. But soda with spicy, I'm gonna die.
I'm trying the loaded one right now.
Oh man. I'm gonna have to eat some of this honey barbecue one.
I feel like they put coleslaw in mine.
I don't like coleslaw. Never again, guys. I already know.
Coleslaw?
And you're, alright, probably not, but never again. These two, like, I don't really, like, it's not that good. I prefer Whoppers, the freaking, those, first called, from Burger King. The Whopper melts, by the way. Yeah, the Whopper melts. I prefer that.
We still got chips. Fat, but we have no cheese or dip. So that's it. Honey barbecue. I like it. Not bad.
What's that the best?
Yeah, we tasted way more stuff, better stuff. Facts, we did. We did way better stuff. I agree. It's alright. I wouldn't really I probably wouldn't get it again.
So,
Is that jalapenos?
I don't know.
Oh man, so spicy, bro. I'm dying.
For me, this is a weird taste.
What it taste?
So, I would say the chicken one.
Which
I
one?
mean, the honey barbecue
The
one.
honey barbecue one?
I'll give it a 7.
6.
Yeah, 6. Excuse me. Yeah,
Like,
6.
it's not bad. I like it.
But it's not.
But it's not like banging. And the
This
spicy one?
5.
It's too
I
spicy.
give it a 5.
I get a 4. 4. Oh man.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm like, what the freak is that?
Mm-hmm.
The chicken? This piece? It's so hard and chewy.
Mm.
I don't like it.
That sucks.
I hate when that happens. So chewy and hard.
So, I'm gonna be honest. I love the wings more.
Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hell the fuck yeah. That's why I saved them for last too. Not even touched. I saved them for last because yeah.
So yeah, guys, we received our first hate comment.
Yep.
So to be honest, I don't know if that's our first hate comment because some comments be looking like a little sus. Like, they be looking like they trying to like hate on, like, you know, make fun of us or something. I'm not gonna tell you guys which ones. Just know that a few of them. I'm not sure if it's a compliment or a hate comment. Cause sometimes, you know, people can be sarcastic.
You can't really know tone through text.
Mm-hmm.
You know, text doesn't really convey the whole message.
Mm-hmm.
So.
This is the first hate comment that we're aware of.
Mm-hmm.
And this guy's hilarious, man. Or girl.
Or wherever you are, really explain yourself.
Don't just say that, you know, our video is cringy. And I say, point out
Why?
Right?
That's what I wanted to know.
That's true.
Like, why is it cringy? How? You gotta give me something. Cause that sounds like you're just trying to, like,
Hey.
yeah, for no reason.
Oh man, Joe.
And the only way for you to know that the whole video is cringy, is if you watch the whole thing. So that means you watched that whole thing.
That's 20 minutes of my life. All right, I'm trying out the Caribbean jerk now.
Nah, he's about to try the Korean jerk.
I'm scared.
I feel like a jerk right now saying this, but you got this. Look. Why is every time he gets one, it's off for him? Because that's the one that you picked. I was like, yo, we should pick this one. We should get the Asian one. And then he was like, nah, I want the Caribbean jerk. He always did. He always, in every video he does this to himself. It's hotter than the fucking hot dog thing. It's
It's fucking hilarious. That's what happens. Okay, every fucking video, everything's spicy. Yeah. He's so screwed. He's so screwed.
Oh my god. He's just so funny.
Nah, that's too funny. Oh man, that's too funny. Every time. Every time. I'm so sorry.
We're so, yo, he's screwed and I'm screwed. I'm screwed because I have 3 nipples. And you have 3 nipples and you don't know where to go in life. You okay there, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, there's a goddamn mosquito next to you.
Great. There's baby mosquitoes in my room. Oh no. The battery. My phone is dying. I forgot we took forever to start, remember? Nah, but this is like 20%. So we still got time. I know. I gotta fix that for you first. And that's it. Alright. Let's see what's going on here.
Yeah, 20%, so we're still good. Until like another 10 minutes at least. Yo guys, he's screwed looking. Hay una señorita. Ay bendito, esa princesa de gordito.
Bro.
This Esa es la princesa.
My lips are on fire.
A ver.
My tongue is on fire.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, where? Oh no,
You're so
I'm
scared.
coming.
I'm gonna try the Asian Zing. I think.
Oh yeah,
Let's go.
you won't be disappointed.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, facts, bro. The Zings.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I traded, bro.
The Zings win. I mean, fast, not bad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But I do like the jerk, by the way, guys. And I knew it was gonna be way too spicy for him, so I was like, trade. Remember in the beginning? You like, let me try the other one and see if I will trade. But I was like, if you like these, you're gonna want to trade. You already know. I just know, guys. I manifested it. I was hoping that we could trade. And we did. So I probably manifested him to pick jerk chicken. Because you would have probably never picked it if you knew that it was spicy. You know?
Yeah.
And I wanted to try both of these guys.
So it was just a little bit spicy.
But it was the opposite. These are a little spicy, and then the other one is way more spicy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
But now I'm gonna eat the spicy one. With jerk. The freaking Caribbean jerk. I love it though. You know, you like the taste of this?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Oh what?
Oh.
Caribbean jerk?
Mm-hmm. It's good to me. Mm. Since you only taste the spiciness, you can't really tell if it's just good or not. But guys, if you like spiciness, trust me, it's just good to taste. It's like some nice grilled chicken with barbecue sauce. Something like that, but well seasoned. A little spice. Definitely black pepper in there. I definitely have a lot of black pepper. I even smell it on it, the black pepper. And I love my black pepper, guys.
Going through the spiciness was oh man, that was crazy. That was insane, bro. What a journey. We took the same journey, different experience.
That's crazy, right?
Always.
So that's why it makes it seem like it's two different journeys.
Facts. First, I started off with my Asian Zing, and then I ate my three Caribbean jerk, and then I ate the two Zings, because the Zings, I prefer them. The Zings, I would rate them like...
Facts. The Zings is nice. That's why I kept them for last, too.
Hold on. Let me... The Zing, I would say, is like a...
Excuse me.
8.5. That's why I would say the Zing. 8.5.
Never mind. I prefer the other one.
Really?
The spicy one tastes better for me.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's
It's
crazy.
like a weird taste, too.
A weird taste? Because the Caribbean jerk... Wait, what would you rate the Zing?
7.5.
7.5? And the jerk?
8.
8? For me, it's a 5.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. It's just so spicy. So it's like...
Roughly.
That's all I taste. It's not like it tastes bad. It didn't taste bad. It was just...
Actually,
It was on fire.
I feel. Just in my mind.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Woo!
It's better. But the other one is up there, bro.
Oh, yeah?
For me, at least. It's good for me. I don't know why. It's that pepper. That's why I'm in love with pepper. By the way, guys, black pepper. I love it. That's what tastes a lot from it.
The funny part is that overall,
Tell me.
overall in reality, it's not even that spicy. Yeah?
I feel you. Yo, this is so
really
good.
enjoying it,
Yo,
bro.
this is so good.
Mm-hmm.
If you want me to do this? If you guys want any help from me, guys, comment below. Yeah. My number is 347-961-0726. Call me. Don't call me, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. You guys want to know my apartment? You guys can send me, like, weird stuff y'all want. 371 East, 165 Street, apartment 1. Send me anything you guys want. I don't even care anymore. Send me stuff. If you want to send him something, just send it to the same spot. Just put his name there, Like for this fucker. For the guy on the left. His name is Chris, by the way, guys. Just, for the ones who don't know. Chris, Raymond. And we're here to give you guys a good day. Call me.
Man,
That was good, bro. I really enjoyed the wings better, though.
I represent all those people out there that don't eat spicy. Pretty much. This guy eats spicy. We can eat the same thing. Oh my god, I'd be dying.
You represent the people that don't eat spicy. I represent the people that do. So it's like, yeah, man. We can all relate with each other.
Let's see if my tolerance actually built like this guy says.
Fact, it should, guys.
If it builds, then that means that, if you give it a chance, you can
Facts, you can do it too.
Right. If I can, then you can too.
Yeah, we both have the same thing.
Right?
Yo,
Rest in peace, Juice WRLD, man. That's my guy.
Oh, wait, we was talking about
If I can.
if I get it back, then you get it back. And then you do it too.
Mm-hmm.
You do it too.
Facts. I like that song. That's a nice song too.
I get it back and then you get it back and then I get another and you do it too.
I want to re-rate the bird dogs for you guys.
All right.
So basically, the honey barbecue one, I'll give it a 7
6.
actually. And then, no, actually, they're both 6. They're both 6. No, I'm tripping. The honey barbecue one is a 6, and the
Loaded?
the loaded one is a freaking 4. That's it. That's my
Yeah,
ratings.
same. I'm just a little sad we didn't have no sauce to.
Fact, I don't know what to do with that. Cause to eat it plain, it's not the same.
It's just worth getting. Like if you was to substitute this from French fries, should you get it? Is it worth it?
Open the bad boy.
Cause honestly, some some tortillas, nachos, they pretty bomb. Here you should put this over there, maybe. Thank you. They pretty bomb, but some of them it's just bland, So I wonder, would this be worth it?
Fact, dog. Let's see, man. Cheers. No cheese, no dip. No salsa. I like it. Just how it should taste. I know that if it was cheese or guac or oh my god, guac. I fell in love after that day. Chipotle. I miss it now.
It's the second time you fell in love after me, right? It is alright.
Yeah, it's just alright.
Yeah, I don't know. For me, it's a little bland.
Yeah.
I've tasted better tasting one.
Is that they want to keep it more healthy? With all that salt. They don't
Yeah.
want it. And that's why.
They're very nice for that.
And maybe the salsa dip is
Yeah.
already salty enough. So that's why they're like, nah, it's not.
But too bad we don't got that, right?
Yeah, they violated.
They violated.
They violated.
They violated.
And they didn't care. That's what pisses me off.
Yeah,
They don't really
facts.
care.
That's the part that hurts the most.
I'll give it a 5. Catch you guys later. We love you guys.
Wait.
I'll give it a 7. It's not bad,
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a 5.
I'll give it a 6.
It's just bland.
Yeah, I give it a 6.
It's
What
just
am I talking about?
bland for me.
I'll give it a 6.
It don't taste bad. I've tasted chips that tasted bad too.
Yeah, same.
But
I'll get a 6.
5.
We love you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Facts.
And, I don't know, to be honest.
I'm
That's
down.
too plain for me too.
Yeah.
I can't do it. If it was chips, I mean, if it was sauce, we'll finish this whole thing while talking to you guys. But we'll catch you guys later.
Facts. Thanks for hanging.
Facts. We love you guys.
And yeah, until next time.
Catch you guys later.
Facts. Peace.
Peace. Take care. Welcome back, Munchers. Welcome back. Welcome back, Munchers. Welcome back, Munchers.
You get a bag and then I get another ring. You do it too.
I can only use one hand. Is that
Call me.